Ngayon ay mag-unbox yung mga pinsan ko at yung kapatid ko. Wait, tatarungon yun. Tarungon sa aking camera. Ayan guys, sila mag-unbox. Ano to? Ano to? Sila mag-unbox.
Wala ka ba?
Sila mag-unbox na mo. Ngayon ko sila. Maglato muna ako TV. Ito po aking color purple. Ito. At ako. Ay, ako secret. Secret lang. Di man na secret. Puti man na. Ay, ako. Purple. Try na. Unbox na po natin. May papel na raaha. Ay, sabi ko. Ang bigot. Asa itong tutuan. Ay, sa. Ano? Wala. Uy. Kulay puti! Kulay puti po yung amin nakuha. Wow! Eyeglass. Asik, tanan po ko.
Ang malapit na.
Squishy. Tunga taon ni Holly.
Oh, this is Wonderland.
Diba nasa kid?
You gotta go get shorts before they come get you.
Okay.
This is Wonderland.
Asa yun?
Where nothing's as it seems. They toss you up and smash you
Yeah!
down.
Three! Green. Unbox na po natin to. Unbox na po natin. Ayan po yung nagbablog na sa nagtanaw-tanaw TV.
You gotta go get shorts.
Ilagay mo ako. Ayan. Wait.
I want to play some Like, really? You suck at dressing up. Maybe the comments are right. You only win because you're an influencer. Girl, what else?
Sige, nga na lang. Oh, pakita sa camera.
Why don't we make Daniela? She's my bias. Okay, well, she's
Ooh,
really
perfect.
pretty. And you're about to make her
Wag
look
lang.
shocked. You suck at recreating. Okay, rude. See what I mean? Shocked. Well, I only
Ala,
tried to
Green!
more time.
Yeah,
Why are you making me do
tama.
post 6
Ito naman
Thank you
po,
to Gabriella.
labubo.
They don't have that. You only won because you're an influencer.
Wow.
What? I want to play some
Ito,
GTA. Really? You suck at
Wow! Akin na to! Oh, tunga-taan na.
My famous cat.
Wow!
Oh, okay. Why don't we make Daniela?
Brookhaven, but my melody only
My
lets me touch
favorite.
pink and white. But eyes first, I'm gonna turn all pink and white. All
Wow! Tunga-taan na.
Parang Let's go, guys. I'm going along this white path. Wow, it's really far, guys. Look, I'm already close to the market. I'm going along this path here. I made it, guys. But how am I going to get in, guys? I have an idea. I just need to type a FK in the chat, and that way I can come here and grab the milk. Challenge completed. Now I dare you guys to leave a like and
Kaunon man na
Only
ni mo.
touch
Wala
white
ka.
Brookhaven, but my melody only.
Yak-yaw. Siya nahulog siya ako gamit. Tingin ko naman to. Para sa amin sa... Kaya misapon ka. Emil, si
Justin
Papa.
Press collabing with Cat's Eye? They said, so nobody spotted the secret in the new Valentine's trailer. And I think I blocked it. There's a Megan photo in the background. Does this mean a Cat's Eye collab? Comment your thoughts. Is Justin Press collabing with Cat's Eye? They said, so nobody spotted
Oh,
the secret in
ito
the new
yun.
Valentine's trailer. And I think I blocked it. There's a Megan photo in the
Napaisa?
background. Does this mean a Cat's Eye collab? Comment your thoughts. Is Justin Press collabing with Cat's Eye? They said,
Mga pearl, kung gusto nyo po mag-comment nyo lang po kayo. Kung gusto nyo pong magka-bracelet, comment na lang po kayo sa baba. Ay, dito po. Dito, 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 dito po. Po, para makakomment po kayo. Magliligpit na tayo. Color green. Tama yung nakuha ko, color green. Ba't na naging siya? Hindi siya clay, mami.
These are top 5 best makeup removal moments. At number 5, that's not a makeup, that's literally a face mask. At number 4, this is why Vaseline is getting expensive.